We all know that sales is the lifeline of any company, but having the right tools and strategies for your marketing, legal, and finance departments is equally important. Access to Sales truly believes that getting professional advice in various spheres of expertise will guide customers to a successful venture. Sales consulting will help optimize current go-to-market strategies, performance sales management, and sales structure. Our marketing consultants use new tools and technologies to improve branding and generate sales. Because our network of partners is so large and diverse, we can direct legal inquiries to accredited professionals that can provide access on many aspects of business. Our accountants, financial planners, and fiscal planners are available to assist with general accounting, forecasting revenues, maintaining cash flow, and optimizing your after-tax dollars. Since Access to Sales is making full-time usage of consulting personnel, you pay for what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. And no long-term commitment to permanent staff. Access to Sales, North American Sales, Boston, Houston, Sunnyvale, Toronto.